Hello YouTube, this is Eolsha, and today I've got a Jolly Logic chute release unboxing for you. So I think you're going to be really excited to check this out. I know I am. This is the perfect transition for a intermediate beginner rocketeer to move into dual deploy without having to use pyro channels and black powder charges. Overall, it's going to be a cleaner, easier setup, more cost effective, and it's going to play a lot less wear and tear on your parts, as you're going to have less hot gases being expelled from burning black powder. So this Jolly Logic chute release is obviously a very much a favorite product of the rocket community. It has perfect reviews online. I've never seen anything with perfect reviews on Amazon or anything else. So obviously this is amazing little piece of equipment. So here we go. I'm going to open the box and show you what we got. This, by the way, showed up in about 2 days directly from Jolly Logic. So it's pretty amazing. Anyway, here we go. Jolly Logic chute release. You control when the parachute opens. And then there's the guide. And they've got these cool graphics. They got that gesture on there. And then going through the book, it's a really easy to understand instruction manual. One thing that you need to really stress is make sure you read the entire instruction manual before you go out and launch. Especially remember to tether it. Okay. There's lots of really good information here, especially on tethering and packing your new Jolly Logic parachute deployment system. So here you go, make sure you read the whole thing. And there you go, Jolly Logic. Okay. Now here we go. Here's the Jolly Logic itself. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Get my camera to focus here. Alright, as you can see, the Jolly Logic chute release is really a high quality little piece of equipment. Here you go, it's pretty cool. Here you go. There's increments of 100 feet that you can set to release your chute at. And then, so if you want to start it up. Okay, there we go. So 300 feet. Now if I want to turn it off, I can just hit the up button. 400 feet, 500, 6. Okay, on up. 1,000 feet is your maximum deployment height. That's really high. And then you can turn it off. Okay, there's off. Now I'm going to turn it back on. Okay. Now I can do a test run. And I basically put it on 0. And it'll say open. Just doing a little countdown. Okay, you might have been able to hear that. But obviously, you can see it's very easy to use, very user-friendly, and cool. It's attractive. Alright. Get my focus back. Jolly Logic. There you go. Designed and assembled in the USA. Jolly Logic. Way cool. Perfect reviews on Amazon. It is amazing. Okay. Alright. Now it came with a cord. And now it's got a couple pins. I'm not going to assemble it. This is just the unboxing. Check back in a couple days for the product review. I'm going to launch here in a few hours. I'm going to launch. I'll have that light posted, and I'll come back and do a review of the Jolly Logic chute release. So there's the pin. Okay. There's an extra one in here. Okay. Now looks like we got rubber bands. More under tray is what that says. There we go. Alright, so it looks like we got plenty of rubber bands there. There's a bunch in there, they're packed in, about as many as you could fit in that little box. It says there's more under the tray here. So it looks like I'm going to be set with little extra parts and stuff for a while. That's great. Let's see, in here we've got tethers. Okay, so let's check those out. Alright. Okay, we got 2 tethers in here. Looks like nylon cord. Plenty strong. Okay. Okay, so let's check under the tray. Said there was more under the tray. Oh, there they are. There's big ones. Huh, okay, so I didn't notice that they're multi-sized. That's great. Well, thanks, Jolly Logic. That is really cool. Okay, alright. So, the Jolly Logic chute release. Okay. Well, thank you for checking out this unboxing of the Jolly Logic chute release, which gets perfect reviews on Amazon and everywhere else I've seen it on different websites. Definitely a great way to get into dual deploy without having to make black powder charges and have to do a bunch of really advanced stuff like that. Alright, thank you, YouTube. This is Eolsha, broadcasting to you live from deep inside Antarctica. I hope you have enjoyed this product unboxing for the Jolly Logic chute release. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get the notifications. Be watching for the product review coming out here in a couple days, as I'm about to give this Jolly Logic chute release my own maiden voyage in a couple hours here, so be watching for me here on YouTube. Alright, thanks YouTube, and have a good one.